Canon just dropped a camera I never expected. And after using it, I'm honestly shocked. The Canon EOS R50V seconds might be the most unexpected twist in Canon's lineup. And it's not what you think. The Canon EOS R50V wasn't even on my 2025 watch list. The Canon EOS R50V is a mirrorless camera from Canon, specially designed for vlogging, content creation, and beginners who want high-quality video plus photos in an easy-to-use body. 4K 30 frames per second, oversampled. Very sharp video quality, full HD 120 frames per second, smooth slow motion no crop in 4K, better for vlogging, vertical video support, perfect for TikTok/Reels. Good performance in low light, very lightweight and compact, easy to carry, daily beginner-friendly buttons, external mic support, USB webcam support, HDMI output, wireless plus app control, burst shooting, up to 15 FPS ISO, 100 to 32,000, expandable, no recording limit in many modes, features dual pixel CMOS AF2. This is highly reliable and uses AI to automatically track people, eyes/face, animals, and vehicles. The R50V often includes a dedicated vertical tripod mount on the side, making it seamless to switch from YouTube landscape to Instagram/TikTok portrait mode. A red light on the front indicates when you are actively recording, so you never accidentally talk to a camera that isn't rolling. Provides better dynamic range for those who like to color grade their footage in post-production. You can carry it all day without neck strain.